Have you ever seen the birth of a river? Our journey starts at the bottom of a mountain where we found cascading waterfalls. We followed the water all the way to its source, to what seemed like a structure of some sort.
See, like, there's nothing on top of this. You can't see any water, and then out of nowhere, a giant waterfall comes out of the ground. It comes all the way down here. And you can see the blocks. You can really see the horizontal lines and stuff. And it's literally coming out of the ground.
The walls look made up of blocks and some parts like cells of a tree, perhaps nature with man's touch. Keeping the same flow with no water seen coming above it. A river birthed from a hole in the ground. With large openings and flat horizontal lines, this guided waterfall does not look like purely a natural accident. Perhaps people from the past tapped into this phenomenon with trees, water pumped from underground. But how giant were these ancient trees to make such large rivers and waterfalls? And why do these water sources seem like they never end?